Hi there, students. Coriaceous, an adjective. Okay, this means like leather, resembling leather, tough and made to resemble leather, tough but pliable. You can twist it. So normally this word is used to describe as a botanical word. Coriaceous leaves. This is the collocation. But I'm thinking, have you seen people who have spent half their life lying in the sun, yeah, and bronzing and getting a fantastic suntan? Well, when they're about 50 years old or 60 years old, they end up with a coriaceous skin. Their skin now looks like leather. It's tough and it's cracked and it's just like a leather skin, a leathery skin, and that's the idea of it. So coriaceous, something that's coriaceous, it looks like leather, it resembles leather. For example, a tobacco plant has coriaceous leaves. They look like leather. They seem rather leathery, having the texture of leaves. Coriaceous foliage. Okay, so notice this is not a common word. This is not a word that people are generally going to know, but it's quite a nice one. You could use it to talk about things that are hard and leathery. They say that the most coriaceous muscle in the body is the tongue. Yeah, the tongue's a very, very hard, a very strong muscle. Okay, so, or for example, the textile on the sofa was coriaceous. Yeah, it was hard, it was quite leathery, it was soft because it was pliable, but it wasn't going to break. Okay, so coriaceous, it's leathery, but it's flexible and very tough. But a botanic word, coriaceous, talking about leaves, coriaceous leaves. Formality. This is a formal word. I'm going to give it 8.5, 9 in formality, 8.5. From Latin, corium, skin or leather. Use this word in something poetic or something very formal writing, or maybe a semi-formal writing as well. And it comes from Latin corium, talking about skin or leather. So coriaceous, something that resembles leather, it's leathery. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Coriaceous.